Once upon a time, in a bright garden filled with colorful flowers and towering trees, there lives a tiny seed named Pip Pip. Was shiny little seed afraid to speak up and share his dreams with the world. He admired the other plants, who confidently display their beauty and share their story with the wind. One day, a wise old sunflower noticed Pip's timid. She told him, Pip, your voice matter. English is powerful tools that can help you grow and share your unique story with the world. Be bold, speak proud, and enjoy the language aloud. Inspired by the sunflower words, Pip decided to embrace the English language. He started by listening to the story of the other plant, learning new words and pairs. He participated, speak in a soft speak, gradually gaining confidence with each passing day. As Pip English skills grew, so did his confidence. He began to share his own story, captivating the garden with his imaginated tales. He spoke of his dream of traveling the world, meeting new plants, and inspired joy. A tug his word. Pip's newfound ability to communicate in English empowered him to overcome his shyness and connect with others. He learned that his voice mattered and that his story had the power to inspire and uplift those around him.